Hi guys, Lauren DiMartino here with eXp Realty of the JL Home Group. So I wanted to just do a short video on after repair value. So this is a term that you hear whenever you're discussing any investment property. So this would be in Baltimore. There's lots and lots of vacant properties, and there's a lot of properties that need help as far as renovating those properties. So after repair value is exactly what it means. After that house is repaired, after repair, what is the valuation of this property? So the after repair value can be found by pulling the comps on the neighborhood. And if you're a real estate agent, you understand that you can pull the comps by going through and finding homes that are going to be the quality of the home that you're renovating at that particular time. So whenever you're pulling your comps, you want to be extremely specific about the comps that you are looking at. If it's a single family home, make sure that the comps are all single family homes. If it is a split foyer style home, make sure that all of your comps are split foyer homes. And if it is a townhouse, so I'll use Baltimore, you may be able to find a townhouse for, we'll say, $100,000, right? In a all right neighborhood. So then what you would do is the after repair value would be the value of the houses that have sold in that area prior to that particular moment. So the after repair value gives you an idea of what the appraisal would be after the house has been repaired and after you're under contract. So some of the smarter investors will actually have a formal appraisal done prior to the house going onto the market so that they know how to validate that particular pricing based on the other homes in the neighborhood. So with your after repair value, let's say you estimate your ARV to be much higher than it should be. So we'll say on a $100,000 property, you purchase at $100,000, the repair budget is $50,000. You're all in $150,000, and in your mind that house is supposed to sell for $300,000. Let's say your ARV and your comps are not right. Then at that point, the amount of profit is now reduced. So now, once you have your holding costs and any other additional costs, because whatever your repair budget is, then I'm going to tell you, you're always going to blow your budget. I'm sorry. This is just something that you should know as an investor. You will always go over your budget. So please make sure that in your budget, you increase your budget by 10 or even 15% of your total budget, just for incidentals, just so that you know what could happen. But if your ARV is too low, your ARV, you shot too high on your ARV, and then let's say your budget goes from 50 to 100, now we're talking really tight numbers, and you don't want your margins to be so tight that you end up losing money on the deal through your holding costs or whatever. So make sure that if you are an investor, that you are running numbers properly and that you're really truly reviewing the comparable homes prior to solidifying your deal. So that is going to be investor tip number 1. Here is the ARV, and here's how to utilize that ARV to help your real estate business. Anyway, again, I am Lauren DiMartino. If you are looking and need assistance in the investing market, please give me a call or shoot me an email, and I'm happy to discuss ARV or any of the other things that will help grow your business. Because at the end of the day, you want every investment to be a great investment and you want it to make money. So you have to make sure that your numbers are right from the beginning. And if you get a wholesaler that tells you that your ARV is higher, make sure that you get a second opinion on any ARVs. If there's somebody who has skin in the game as far as the home, and they tell you, hey, this house is gonna sell higher than what you think in your head that it will sell for, please get a second opinion on it, because that second opinion will validate what your thoughts are on the home. Anyway, again, I'm Lauren DiMartino with the JL Home Group of eXp Realty, and I am excited and here to help guide you towards your own legacy. So chat soon, and I'll see you later. Bye.